What's going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys yet again with another YouTube video. And in this video, as you guys already saw in the title and in the thumbnail, it is 2020's best money counter. So for those of you that know, I am in the ATM business, which then in turn deals with a lot of cold, hard cash. Now for tonight's video, I just took out $10,000 of my ATM funding money, aka the money I load my ATMs with. And just for the sake of this video, we're gonna see how well, but more importantly, we're gonna unbox this money counter. This money counter has some of the best ratings on Amazon. This particular money counter is actually not even over $100 on Amazon. That's right, you heard it. Most money counters I've seen, most money counters you've probably seen are well over $100. This one that has very high ratings. In fact, on Amazon, it is Amazon's choice. So that's why I decided to make an unboxing video and kind of give you guys my honest opinion, my review on this money counter. For those of you that don't know, I am in the ATM business. I am 25 years old in Scottsdale, Arizona, and you guys are smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm because, oh my gosh, YouTube knows I need help with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys are brand new here, make sure and come subscribe. All new welcome subscribers is obviously welcome, and we enjoy new subscribers. So let's dive right into this. We're gonna unbox this. I have absolutely no idea, even honestly. Some of you guys are like, awesome, what color is it? I have no idea. I don't know how many features there are. Here's the crazy part about money counters. Money counters can get kind of nuts, right? There's some that detect fraudulent bills. This one particularly does. There's some that, you know, count ones, fives, tens, 20s, and 50s, and hundreds. And then there's some that just do the bill count. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this one just does the bill count. It does not separate it like, hey, you have 120s, or you have 100 ones, or 100 fives. It just simply counts whatever it is that you put in it in terms of the bill amount. So let's unbox this thing. I love Amazon because they have everything so tightly niched and packed up. So boom, there we are. This is what it looks like. So it's white and black. It's kind of cool. So yeah, it shows you the bill count, right? Let's see how it looks and feels once we actually unbox this. This is a high quality 100 to 6 high speed and low noise, long duration. That is one thing I did notice about this when I was looking through the reviews, is it was not like extremely loud. Me personally, I'll be honest with you guys, I love a loud money counter, just with that brrr. Like, I love that sound, right? Like, I don't know if you guys enjoy it. The counting speed is 1,000 sheets per minute. Power consumption is 90 watts. Sleeping's 3W. Noise is 60 dB. No clue what that is. Everything else looks pretty cool. So let's kind of run through this. Let's see. I don't even know if this takes batteries. I don't know if I got to plug this in. I don't even know how we're going to money count Coda, right? But we're going to money count, girl. For those of you that don't know, Coda Ray's my videographer tonight. Kelsey's sleeping. It's 8 o'clock at night. Okay. So let's see how this... Did you like the look of it? Beautiful. Marvelous, she says. This is the top right here, which shows you the bill counter. We'll have to plug this in. This is the power cord, so we'll have to plug that in. These are straps for our money, which, as you guys can see, my straps need new straps anyway. So I didn't even know they gave you this. 5,000 bucks and 2,000 bucks. That's kind of cool. I have to hold on to the money strips right here. I definitely will need the user manual on this. In fact, I'm not going to use the user manual, but Coda Ray, on the other hand, is going to use the user manual. I will just see how this rocks and rolls to begin with, and that will actually be her job. So I won't be doing that. It does come with a warranty card. I don't know about you guys, but I hate styrofoam, like with a passion. I don't like that. Here's an inside of it. This is actually called, just so you guys know, I forgot to even tell you. This is actually called the GStar the GSNX-422B bill counter with UV, MG, and IR counterfeit detection. Again, like I said, this was Amazon's choice. I figured I'd come to you guys with an unboxing of this and give you guys my honest opinion, review. As you guys know, I've been in the ATM business, therefore, I kind of know some good money counters and I also know some pretty bad ones too. And so I'll be able to give you guys my honest opinion. All right, now that it is very heavy. It is very heavy. Like, holy cow, is that heavy. It's a very sleek design. It is very clean. Again, like I said, I have no idea how to work this, but we're gonna plug it in. We're gonna see how it works. So right here is actually where it shows the amount of bills. As you guys can see, I will remove this. So let's plug this in and just see how it rocks and rolls, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, we're gonna turn this on. Whoa! So as you guys can see, here is the total number of bills that are rocking and rolling. And so we're gonna try to test this out. Here we go, guys. This is time will tell here. I think you just place like this. $99. This should be 100, so let's double check and see. All right, we're gonna go reset. Memory was 99. Let's see if we are. $100. That, ladies and gentlemen, right there is $2,000 in cash. We're just gonna go through on the sake of this video and just keep counting this entire thing. What do I do there? That again, ladies and gentlemen, is not right. You gotta function this. So the MG and the UV and the IR lights are off. 100, that is correct. Are you getting some good B-roll when this runs through, Coda Ray? $100! That, ladies and gentlemen, is another $2,000. Let's go ahead and run this one more time. Woo! That right there again, ladies and gentlemen, is another $2,000. I'll be honest with you guys. This is probably one of the cheapest and coolest toys I have ever bought in my entire life. Coda Ray is going to be hearing, and honestly, the sound's not that loud. Like, it's a very quiet. It's a very quiet sound. It is a very, actually, on point. Now, obviously, as you guys know, it had two mishaps. I probably am not putting the money in correctly. As you guys can see, I already got one bill jam, just like that. I don't even know how to fix it. But, this is a very, I don't know what to do. Oh, just like that. This is a very high quality, nice money counting machine. If I were you, ladies and gentlemen, and I was looking to 1,000,000% get yourself a money counter, this would be the one to get. And the reason being is because, like I said, it's less than $100 on Amazon. This thing counts like no tomorrow. You guys just saw it. We just counted $10,000 within a matter of a couple minutes. And again, ladies and gentlemen, I've never used this before in my entire life. So that being said, that shows you how simple and easy and incredible this actual machine is. Now again, you do have the MG, UV, and the IR, so you can protect yourself from fake bills and such. But you do have the total quantity count on this particular machine. It is very durable. Honestly, I think it's a very great looking machine as well. This machine's sleek, guys. It is very sleek. Again, like I said, less than $100, and more importantly, it counts the money, it gets the job done. If you're in the ATM business, you absolutely need to pick this up for less than $100. If you're just, wanting to get motivated and count money, then this is definitely for you. And Miko James is back there just going crazy, ladies and gentlemen, my little 9-pound dachshund. Again, I highly recommend each and every single one of you go get yourself a GStar. GStar, you guys did absolutely incredible. If you guys want to sponsor this video, drop in the comment section down below. Email me, reach out to me, do something, because I would love to be sponsored by you. And as always, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this YouTube video. Make sure and go ahead and subscribe if you guys are brand new here. Make sure and subscribe if you guys are brand new. And like I said, Miko James is going crazy in the back, so I'm going to have to hop off. Austin Lewis here saying we'll see you guys in a future YouTube video.